excuse me. Excuse me. I better disinfect. All this sneezing has inspired me to write a silly poem that I'd like to share with you. But before I forget, I want to thank you for being here. I'm Mr. R. Welcome to Teeny Tiny Tales. Okay, let's get this done. We know how sheep sneeze. Meh, 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 coo. And we know how vampires sneeze. I want to suck you, blah, 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 choo. But how does a poet sneeze? How Do Poets Sneeze? By Alexander Rodriguez. That's me. A poet once sneezed, let out a breeze, not a chew, but hi, 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 go!